Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our digital clock series. So, we're to the point where we need to talk about a specific type of widget, and we need to talk about the label widget. So, alright. So, like I've said before, in Spider, you can only display so much linear text. So, we're actually going to do a couple of things here. I'm actually going to show you how to open up the actual Tkinter py files. You know how we were importing Tkinter? Well, I'm actually going to show you the file over here. I'm going to show you how to look at it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. But all right, so you go to your open, and whichever version of Python you have. So I'm using 3.8 right now. So you go to lib, and then Tkinter. Now this gets a little odd, but it's the init. So we're initiating Tkinter, right? So you open this up. So and you will get this entire file right now, and you can do Control F and look at and just type in label. So label is an object. It is a widget. So best way to think about this is like a canvas. You're placing something in the window, the TK object. So we have our TK object, then we're going to have a label. And the reason why I want to take a minute to just break this down is these are all because we're going to be making and using several of these arguments. We're going to be using foreground, background, and then we're going to be taking that object and then we're going to be doing things to it. So this is our class label, and then these have methods associated with these as well. But you can just see how many different things we can use. You can use padding, we have foreground, where is it? Foreground, background, background, then foreground. So literally, like with it, we're going to use these mainly. So you think about a digital clock. So you have a background, then you have the letters. So you can actually control the colors that those sit upon. And then you can also look here, same thing, this is font. So you can actually control the type of font you have. You can, the size, the name, if it's underlined, if it's bold, or the weight, the slant. This is just some of the basic building blocks that are sitting out there for us to use with Tkinter. That's why I love Tkinter so very, very much. So, and font is its own py file, so you could go back and look at our font when you're in the Tkinter. But the standard options, the standard arguments that we're going to be utilizing when we're passing them in. So foreground, background, and then we'll be using font because I want to control the size, because that's actually how we're going to control how big the window is. And I'll show you how to do that. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions. Make sure you join in that Discord server over there. We have a lot of activity going on, a lot of new members, a lot of great questions. So, and as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.